guys, thank you for passing by my channel. Today I am going to do a very quick, I don't know how much I can emphasize, a quick unboxing. I'm going to do an unboxing for this camera here that I have. It's a pretty good, decent camera, and I've used a camera like this for weddings, I've used it for portraits. I have one that is just here, and it performed so well that I had to get another one. It is small, it is compact, it is budget friendly, but at the same time it will give you amazing results. If you are starting up for a photographer, if you're a pro photographer, you can still use this camera. I'm going to do another video doing a review of the camera and the lenses that you can pair it up with to give you amazing results. But today, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's get into the unboxing. FYI, I don't really do unboxing videos, so if I do a blooper, bear with me. By the way, I already had the scissors ready, close by. Let's open. But you know what, guys, you need to clap hands for me. I had to wait to open this. I couldn't dare open this without doing an unboxing video, so I stayed for it for I don't know how long. I won't tell you how many hours or days or weeks until I got the chance to do an unboxing video. So you need to give me a subscribe for that. Alright guys, we've got the Canon EOS RP here. It's a 26 megapixel full frame camera. Quite versatile, looks small but it's pretty good. So I had to buy it with an EF adapter, mount adapter, so that I can use the EF lens, because the RF lenses are a bit expensive and there's not so much variety. I think the cheapest that you can get is about 1.3 if it's brand new or sometimes second hand, and most of them range around 3,000, 2,000, which is a bit much. You can upgrade to this mirrorless and still use your EF lenses with a mount adapter. So it's the EF to RF adapter which came with the camera. It was a package, it was a deal, and I don't think I need to open this for you guys, but oh well. Since we are unboxing, we might as well open everything. So we have the EF to RF adapter, which works with autofocus as well. Fully electronic, quite handy. This is why I say it is budget friendly. Alright, let's go to the baby herself. Alright. So it has the manual, of course, and this is the charger and LP battery and the cord. So inside we have the strap, and I'm gonna chuck these things inside here. All right, so here we have our little baby. We have our little baby. So here it is. It's got a fully articulating screen which turns not 360 but 3/4 of 360. You do the math. So I'm going to pair this with the Canon 17 to 40 millimeter as well. I'm going to do a review on this. I'll do a review on the Canon 17 to 40 millimeter. I've used it before with the 5D Mark III and it gave me amazing results. Actually, one of the videos that I did using this. It's silent, it's fast, but it's sharp. So let's see if we can do the combination. There we go. As I said, it's very portable. It's not as big as the 5D Mark III or 5D Mark IV. It's very portable. If you're shooting long hours, this is a good camera for you. I've used a small lens as well. It's quite light. I don't need to put a strap on it. Maybe if I put a battery grip, it might be heavier, but I think I can shoot 8 hours without feeling anything with this. So I'm going to do a review on how to pair it with an EF lens, any EF lens. I'm going to take some pictures with it and I'm going to do a review on the camera itself, and I'm going to do a review on the Canon EF lens 17 to 40 f4, by the way, and I'll show you some pictures and show you the magic that it can do. I'm also going to test it on video as well, and let's see how it's going to perform. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and visit my Instagram page and see my portfolio. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.